Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at our store-bought planted potato that we planted a week ago, and also our Ghanaian colored greens seed that we planted. We want to see how it's doing. Are they growing? Are they doing anything? Let's all see how both of these plants are doing, and let's dive right in. So friends, you are looking at both planted containers of store-bought potato and also Ghanaian colored greens. This was planted a week ago, so I wanted to see how it would do. So you can see this is the potato. It's coming really nice. You can see all the leaves are really green, and you can see the rest here. It has two eyes, so these are all the eyes, and then this is another side of the eye, and then this is really coming out really good, and I like the way it's already doing. I only watered them once because it's been sunny, but then we have 2 days of rain, so during the 1 week of planting I only watered them once because we have a natural rainfall, so that is really making it look good. Now when we take a look at our color greens, this is a seed that I just put in here and then add a little soil on it, just water them, so you can see that it's now coming out really good. So we are going to see in 2 weeks how much they will grow, both of this. So this is really nice. I thought I was a little bit late planting them because we are in July and I only planted them a week ago, but we will see. I just want to experiment with this to see how it goes. It's easy to plant anything in a container, a plastic container, and as long as you know what you are doing, it's easy. I used to plant in the ground, but then since I moved to the US, I do a lot of gardening in a container because it's much easier for me to maintain it. And so this year I decided not to plant anything. But then when I saw this little potato growing, I just bought it, and then all of a sudden I see that it was growing with eyes. I said, oh well, I don't want to throw it away. So I said I'm going to plant it, and I didn't even plan ahead, so it was late, but I just don't want to throw it away. So I'm experimenting with this potato that to see how it's going to do, if it's going to do well, since it's late in June when I planted them, late June 29. So it's almost late, but it's coming along neatly. So this video is just to show you how progressive the plant is growing, if it's going to do well or not. I was worried about the color green, but it started coming out, so we will see in 2 weeks. I'm going to make another video to see where they are in 2 weeks. So I hope this video shares some light on container planting, because you can plant anything in container as long as you take a good care of it. So I hope this video helps you, and I will see you in 2 weeks to update you on my little experiment potato and also my Ghanaian color greens. Hello friends, so that was just week 1 update of our potato and also our Ghanaian color greens. I'm going to update you in 2 weeks to see how far they have grown, if it's doing well, if both of the plants are doing well or not. I hope this video share a little bit light of container planting or backyard planting or deck planting. I mean, you can plant anything in a container as long as you know what kind of soil to use, how to maintain them, how to keep them growing. And so I will let you know what I did with them, if I added anything, because when you are watering your plant, you're supposed to give them food for the plant to grow. When you watch the first video, you will see what I mix in the soil before actually planting the potato and then the color greens, so they can grow well. As they grow, you are watering them also. You need to be giving them plant food that will help the plant grow very well. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in 2 weeks for a new update on the plant. If you want to know what I mix into my soil before planting the potato and also the color greens, you can watch that video. You will see how everything is mixed. It was just a very simple thing to mix in with your soil before planting. So I hope that video helps you as well. I will see you on the next update. Take care. Bye.